In this video, we will see how to use Clipboard in Excel sheet. Okay, this is my data. I want to copy this first, fourth, and sixth row in sheet number 5. So I just first copy, then paste, then I go again sheet number 4, then I want to copy fourth one, then I paste, and then I want sixth copy. I want to press. This is a long process to copy paste the selected data. So clipboard is a giving shortcut way to copy and paste. Just click on the clipboard, then here your control C, control C, sorry, then control C. Here you can see here all three row is copied. Now go on fifth sheet, select the cell and click on the paste all. That's it. It is a so shortcut method for clipboard to copy paste data, selected data. Hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.